Hello YouTube! Thought I'd do a quick update here. I started to think after I uploaded that video, and it dawned on me that in that video I just uploaded, the one that said, finally done part 4, and I was getting 17 watts output. And I started thinking, wait a minute here, I think I had more than that before. So I went back to the other video that I did about a month or so ago. I'll post a link down below if I don't forget. That when I had all this on the table and I was just kind of using what cables I had on hand, and I had 25 watts. Same power supply, same amplifier, same repeater, same duplexer, everything the same, but I was getting 25 watts. And it dawned on me, what's going on? Why am I getting 17 watts now and before I had 25 watts? Well, I figured it out. In the last video I just posted, if you look at the video, I used this cable, this long black cable on the output of the duplexer going to my meter. In the video before that one, the one I had when I had all this laid out on the table, and I was showing you how to hook it up, I used this cable on the high side. So it wasn't being used on the low side where it transmits on for power. It was used on the receive side. So this cable came with this amplifier. And I'm thinking this cable is only meant for low wattage, hence the 6 watts input. This cable would hook onto the feed, and then you would hook this up to either a handheld or, in this case I have it hooked up to the repeater, but this cable is what came with this amplifier. And I was looking at this cable, and it looks like it says RG, I want to say RG174. This black cable here. So I don't know what the specs are on that, but I do know it sure don't like high wattage. So I grabbed the cable that came with my Nano, and lo and behold, look at the wattage now. Let's focus. Radio check, 1 2 3 4. Radio check, 1 2 3 4. So there you have it. I know the other video showed 25 watts. I'm going to recheck my connections and make sure everything's all tight. But that's a lot better than what it was before. So the point in this whole video here is to make sure you order decent cables and try to keep them as short as possible. So that way you don't run into this problem. And I did check the output of the amplifier, and that's still putting out 35 watts, so I started to trace it back by unhooking cables and hooking them up to my meter. So that's when I realized, well, wait a minute here, I'm getting 35 watts out of here. This cable down here is brand new, so why am I only getting 17? And that's when made me decide to switch out this black cable to this blue cable that's hooked to the duplexer. So be mindful of that. Try to order the best cable possible and the shortest cable to get your full wattage. But yeah, there it is. That's really radio check, 1 2 3 4. Radio check. I know that one video showed 25 watts. I'm getting about 20 watts. But give or take, maybe the way it's laid out, there's going to be a little different wattages. Perhaps. So at any rate, that is, I just want to do a quick update on that. So keep that in mind when you do your cables. So as short as possible, get it the best quality as much as you can. At any rate, thought I'd show you this. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you.